Super weather.
Good Friday morning. I'm meteorologist Brooke Martell. Gradual clearing for today. Looking ahead to the 4th of July, though, you will notice more cloud cover. We'll talk more about that in just a moment, and it'll even feel a bit muggier, too. That could go for today as well. But we are warming up looking ahead to next week, especially for the desert region. Here's a look at that first Alert 7 Doppler. You can see it sweeping across the county, but we're picking up that satellite imagery showing the cloud cover up and down the coastline and then extending east along the I-8 over El Cajon. So very similar pattern to what we've been experiencing the past couple of days. Here's a look at that coastal forecast for your Friday over La Jolla. So mostly cloudy for this morning going into this afternoon. Low 70s in the forecast. Moderate rip current risk. Wave heights from 2 to 4 feet. Look at that water temperature. Upper 60s. That's going to feel really nice. And here's a look at the planner for the Inland Valley communities. You can see we also have mostly cloudy skies going into about 10 o'clock and then even heading into about 1 o'clock this afternoon. Daytime highs looking like this, 60s and 70s up and down your coastline. We'll have a mix here, low to about the upper 80s over the Inland Valley communities, 70s and 80s pushing close to 90 degrees even for the mountain communities, right around 106 for the desert. So here's a look at your daytime highs for tomorrow. As you can see, many areas closer to the coast, you can see are right around where they should be for this time of the year. And then same thing goes for some of our Inland Valley communities. Here is a look at that 4th of July forecast around the county on Saturday. So again, we'll have that cloud cover throughout the afternoon. We're looking at some chances for that clearing heading into the evening hours. That firework display, especially if you're going to be out along the coast for a Big Bay Boom, is at 9:15 tomorrow. So things are looking pretty good. Here's a look at the future weather pattern. You can see some of those clouds just passing overhead heading into your afternoon. And then going into tonight, we see the return of some of that cloud cover. Again, I talked about that subtropical moisture that's pushing in from the southwest. Then as we go into your Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening, right around 5:15, this is what we're looking at here. We still see some of that mid to high level cloud cover as we go into that hour. And then later on in the evening, it starts to break up a little bit more. 10-day forecast is looking like this. Temperatures are really staying consistent for your weekend. Looking ahead to next week, you see a little bit of that gradual warming trend over the valleys, definitely over the mountain communities, but check out your desert region. That's what I was talking about. Those conditions really heating up. I mean, we're talking about temperatures by midweek, close to about 110, pushing close to about 115 degrees. Have a great day.
Don't forget your umbrella.